Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Wave. Today in this tutorial we will discuss some objective type questions and their answer with explanation of data science subject. So this is our part 1. After that we will also release the part 2 of these MCQ types questions and their answer in data science. So let's start this session. First question is, which of the following would be more appropriate to be replaced with question mark in the following figure? So first option available here, data analysis. Second option available here, data science. Third option is descriptive analytics, and the fourth one is the none of the mentioned. So right answer will be B, data science. So data science is a multidisciplinary which involve extraction of knowledge from large volumes of data that are structured or unstructured. Next question is, point out the correct statement. First option is here, raw data is original source of data. Second option is reprocessed data is original source of data. Third option is raw data is the data obtained after processing steps, and the last option is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be A, raw data is original source of data. So accounting programs are prototypical example of data processing applications. Next question is, which of the following is performed by data scientist? So options are available here. Define the question, create a reproducible code, challenge results, and the last option is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be D. So a data scientist is a job title for an employee or business intelligence consultant who excels at analyzing data, particularly large amount of data. Next question is, which of the following is most important language for data science? So first option available here, Java. Second option available here, Ruby. Third option is available here, R language, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So right answer will be R. So R language is a free software for statistical computing and analysis. Next question is, point out the wrong statement. So first option available here, merging concern combining data sets on the same observation to produce a result with more variables. Second option is data visualization is the organization of information according to preset specification. Third option is subsetting can be used to select and exclude variables and observation. So and the last option available here, all of the mentioned. So right answer will be B. Data visualization is the organization of information according to preset specification. Data formatting is the organization of information according to preset specification. Next question is, which of the following approach should be used to ask data analysis questions? First option available here, find only one solution for particular problem. Second option is find out the question which is to be answered. Third option is find out answer from data set without asking question, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So right answer will be B, find out the questions which is to be answered. So data analysis has multiple facets and approaches. Next question is, which of the following is one of the key data science skills? So first option available here, statistic. Second is machine learning. Third one is the data visualization, and the last one is the all of the mentioned. So right answer will be D, because data visualization is the presentation of data in a pictorial or graphical format. Next question is, which of the following is a key characteristic of a hacker? So first option is afraid to say they don't know the answer. Second option is willing to find answers on their own. Third option available here, not willing to find answers on their own, and the last one is the all of the mentioned. So right answer will be B. Hacker is an expert at programming and solving problem with a computer, so they're willing to find answer on their own. Next question is raw data should be processed only one time. So this statement is true or false. So answer will be B. This is false. Raw data may only need to be processed once. Next question is which of the following principle is incorrectly represented in the below figure? First option available here, show comparisons. Second will integrate evidence, and third one is describe evidence, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So answer will be D, none of the mentioned, because principles of analytical graphs are sequentially shown in the stepwise manner. Next question is point out the correct statement. So first option available here, least square is an estimation tool. Second option available here, least square problems falls into three categories. Third option available here, compound least square is one of the category of least square, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So answer will be A, least square is an estimation tool. The method of least square is a procedure to determine the best fit line to data. Next question is how many principles of analytical graphs exist? So options are 3, 4, 6 and none of the mentioned. So answer will be C. So there are 6 principles of analytical graphs are useful for data analysis. Next question is which of the following is not a step in data analysis? So first option is obtain the data, second option is clean the data, third option is EDA, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be D, because EDA stands for exploratory data analysis. Next question is point out the wrong statement. So first option available here, simple linear regression is equipped to handle more than one predicator. Second option is compound linear regression is not equipped to handle more than one predicator. Third option available here, linear regression consists of finding the best fitting straight line through the points. And the last option available here, all of the mentioned. So right answer will be A, simple linear regression is equipped to handle more than one predicator. And the simple linear regression is equipped to handle more than one predicator. Next question is which of the following technique come under practical machine learning? So first option available here, bagging, second is boosting, third is forecasting, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So right answer will be B, boosting. So boosting is an approach to machine learning based on the idea of creating a highly accurate predicator. Next question is data products shown in the below figure is built using which programming language? First option available here, S, second is Python, third is R, and the fourth one is Java. So right answer will be R, because product mentioned in this figure are web application framework written in R. Next question is which of the following technique is also referred to as bagging? First option available here, bootstrap aggregating, second option is bootstrap subsetting, third option is bootstrap predicating, and the last one is all of the mentioned. So answer will be A, bootstrap aggregating. Bagging is used in statistical classification and regression. Next question available here, which of the following is characteristic of raw data? So first option is here, data is ready for analysis, original version of data, easy to use for data analysis, and none of the mentioned. So answer will be B, raw data is data that has not been processed for use. Okay, that is why original version of data will be the characteristic of raw data. Next question is standard normal RVs are always labeled as Z. So this statement is true or false. So answer will be so answer will be. Next question is standard normal RVs are always labeled as Z. So this statement is true or false. So answer will be B, false, because standard normal RVs are often labeled as Z. Next question is which of the following CLI command can also be used to rename files? Options are available here: rm, second option is mv, third option is rm-r, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So right answer will be mv. So mv stands for move. Next question is point out the correct statement. First option available here, CLI can help you to recognize messages. Second option available here, CLI can help you to organize files and folders. Third option available here, navigation of directory is possible using CLI. Last option is none of the mentioned. So answer will be B. CLI can help you to organize files and folders. CLI stands for command line interface. Next question is here, which of the following command allow you to change directory to one level above your parent directory? So options are available here: cd, cd dot, cd dot dot, or none of the mentioned. So answer will be C, cd dot dot. CD stands for change directory. Next question is which of the following is not a CLI command? First option available here, delete. Second is rm. Third one is clear, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So answer will be A, delete. rm can be used to remove files and directories. Next question is point out the wrong statement. First option is command is the CLI command which does a specific task. Second option is there is one and only flag for every command in CLI. Third option is flags are options given to command for activating particular behavior. And the last option is all of the mentioned. So right answer will be B. There is one and only flag for every command in CLI, because depending on the command there can be 0 or more flags and arguments. Next question is which of the following systems record changes to a file over time? First option available here, record control. Second option available here, version control. Third option available here, forecast control, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be B, version control. Version control is also known as revision control. Next question is which of the following is a revision control system? So first option available here, GIT. Second option is NumPy. Third option is Slidify, and the last one is the none of the mentioned. So answer will be GIT, A option. GIT is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Next question is which of the following command line environment is used for interacting with GIT? So options are available here, GIT hub. Second is GIT bash. Third is GIT boot, and the last one is all of the mentioned. So answer will be B, GIT bash. GIT for Windows provide a bash emulation used to run GIT from the command line. Next question is, which of the following web hosting service use GIT control system? So options are available here: GIT Hub. Second option is OpenHash. Third option is GIT Bash, and the last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer will be A. GIT Hub is a web-based GIT repository hosting service which offers all of the distributed revision control and source code management functionality of GIT. Now next question is, CP command can be used to copy the content of directories. So we have to tell that this statement is true or false. So right answer will be true, because R flag should be used for copying the content. So this is how we have completed our 30 MCQs of data science subject.
So on our channel you can find some tutorials also. Okay, so some office tutorials are also there and some tech videos are also there, and in the some technical subjects, programming in C, artificial intelligence and object oriented concepts in Java tutorials are also available. And if you gain some knowledge from this video tutorial, then please like and share our this video. And if you want more video like this, then you can write in comment section on which subject you want these objective type questions and answer with explanation. We are also available on Facebook, so you can redirect to our Facebook page by clicking on the link that is given in the description box. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.